Why do most developers still wrap images in divs when HTML already has the perfect semantic container? Let's talk about the figure element. The figure element groups together self-contained content like images, diagrams, illustrations, code snippets, or charts. It's designed for content that supports the main document but is referenced as a single unit. Think of it like a figure in a textbook that illustrates a concept but isn't in line with the paragraph text. Inside figure, you use the figcaption element to provide a caption or description. Figcaption gives your content an accessible label that screen readers can announce. It can appear before or after the main content inside the figure, and there can only be one figcaption per figure. The key concept here is self-contained and movable. Figure content is referenced from the main flow, but could be relocated to an appendix or sidebar without breaking the document's meaning. It's semantically independent even though it supports the surrounding content. Figure isn't just for single images. You can group multiple images, a code snippet, a chart, or even a video inside one figure element, and pair them with a single figcaption. This makes it perfect for complex diagrams with multiple parts, or code examples with explanatory captions. Remember, use figure for self-contained content with figcaption to create semantic, accessible HTML structures. Practice this on Interview Mentor to ace your next front-end interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.